later on this one for our official, where are the certificates for the judge.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Si Donna Bo, Marcela Shaw.
Thank you for watching tonight.
Grabe na iyak si Kuya Mar.
Best in handler talaga yan by all means.
Ang dami na nakukuha ng award.
Oh, from Misty.
And aside from Mr. Mar Apasionado, also to receive the Handler Appreciation Award is...
This time we have Miss Aya Banganan Madrigano. So we want to say thank you to
congratulations and mga seniors na handlers.
Yes, at sila naman talagang tutok na tutok sa kanilang mga candidates from start up to right now.
So congratulations Miss Aya and Kuya Mar Aficionado. And this time we're going... Alright! So this time let's welcome back our little Mr. and Miss Sinamana 2024 Top 13 finalists.
So again, we're calling back all our little Mr. and Miss Top 13 finalists. As tonight, as of this moment, we will be able to know who will be our very first little Mr. and Miss Binawara 2024! And again, for all non-winners, congratulations. And for the little girls and little boys, continue joining pageant, continue appreciating your talent and your capability as time goes by. And again, we are inviting everyone this coming Saturday, November 9, the second week of elimination of Binangonan Got Talent Season 3. And our registration is still open to all the singers and dancers here in Binangonan because our third elimination is on November 16. Then our fourth elimination up to the grand finals, which is at November 30. So wag kong palagpasin yung pagkakataon na yan. And again, we want to say thank you to our official designer of our stage, the H&H Party Needs and More. For any inquiries, you can visit the Facebook account of the H&H or you can contact Ms. Anatol Yao for any inquiries. Who do you think our little Mr. and Miss Binangonan 2024? Isigaw mo na!
First, we are going to announce our second runners-up for our little Mr. and little Miss. To receive a crown, a sash, and a certificate, and a cash.
The beautiful crowns created by Mr. Hills.
So, antayin naman po natin. Dino-double check po ng ating examinators.
And again, partner, while we are double checking the scores, again, I want to say thank you to all of you. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili for making this coronation night very possible and very memorable to our children. And again, to the parents, maraming salamat po.
Most especially sa lahat ng ating mga sponsors ngayong gabi, ngayong taon, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Without you guys, this event ay hindi po ganito ka-successful. Most especially po sa mga parents and handlers ng ating mga kids. Napakahirap po talaga mahawakan ng ating mga kids. To present the award for our second prince and princesses, or princess, we have Mr. Chadi Eribal and Miss Shaina. So award our second prince and princess.
Who do you think our second prince and princess?
Siyempre, partner, lahat naman sila ay deserve na manalo. Kaya before we announce the winners, palakpakan po muna natin ang ating top 13 finalists. Ipakita po natin ang ating pagmamahal sa kanilang lahat. Congratulations sa inyong lahat.
And syempre, partner, I want to say personally thank you to the management of Little Mr. and Miss Binangonan, as this is the very first Little Mr. and Miss pageant here in Binangonan, and we're roofing for another year. And a very wonderful Little Mr. and Miss pageant here in Binangonan.
Yes, at syempre sa ating second runner-up, sila po ay magkakamit ng sash, certificate, crown, and cash. Lahat po ng yung pong cash ng ating limang mananalo ay nandito na, kasama na pala dito.
Ay, pare, kasama na. Nandiyan yung sobre sa ating bouquet of flowers.
So, lahat po ng cash ay tumulit po kay Miss Maraya.
Can I have now the result of our second prince and princess?
Sa lahat po ng mga sumisilip sa score sheet.
Baka po mabulag kayo.
Kita ka na, kuya.
Si kuya talaga nanlilisik yung mata. And again, partner, I want to say thank you again to the support of Temu app. Ayan, it's not a paid advertisement, but I wanted to share everyone. Legit po ang Temu US products. Kung malalaki po ang mga size nyo,
endorser ka ng Temu.
Kaya lang medyo mahal.
Yeah. Ako naman sa lahat ko ng mga mamis na mahilig sa mga South Sea Pearl, ayan, just visit po G Jewelers po sa Instagram, ayan. You can order po. Kaya-kaya niyan mga mami.
And partner, we want to say thank you to our official tabulator, Miss Rochelle Andrea Samoyo and Taroyo, senior high teacher of Donocen Inares Memorial Senior National High School. Nandyan po ako sa Donocen sa November 15.
Yes, and again, we're inviting on November 9, the elimination round of Bilangan Got Talent Season 3 dito po yan sa Bilangan Plaza, and the grand finals night will be on November 13. But November 29, we have an event po para sa Gender and Development kung saan mapapanood niyo po ang isa sa mga inspiring short film ng MGP Production. Iyan ay walang iba kundi ang Infected. So panoorin niyo po yan. Napakagandang short film po mula po sa MGP Production.
We will be able to learn a lot of things sa pamagat na Infected. So habang inaantay natin, so are we good? We want to say thank you to Love Crafts for our beautiful
Ang ganda na po, please.
Love Crafts. Saan po located ang store ng Love Crafts? Online. So, i-visit nyo lang po ang kanilang Facebook account.
Dina-double check lang ng ating tabernators at ng ating mga judges ang result ng ating mga winners for tonight. Medyo nahirapan sila sa ating top 13 kasi lahat naman sila deserve na manalo. So sa mga kids natin, kung di man kayo palaran ngayong gabi, it's okay. Ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy kayo at kayo ay merong natutunan. Ha? Huwag mag-iwang malulungkot. Dapat masaya kayo sa pagkapanalo ng iba.
And we're very proud to our little girls and boys. Talaga namang in the game. So all the segments and the question and answer portion. So our DTI representative is now verifying the result of our winners for tonight's Little Mr. and Miss Binohonan 2024. Parang masarap uminom ng tubig. Parang soft drinks.
Thank you once again to Sir Ryan Carlos Inares, of course sa BRCC, the official venue ng ating screening and photo shoots of our candidates.
And of course, partner, we want to say thank you also to Miss Ria Inares for continued support to our little Mr. and Miss Binohonan 2024. And taking this opportunity, partner, for someone who's trying to find a stable job, the Wells Fargo Philippines is continuously accepting applicants to all non-employee here in Rizal. So you can visit the office at the BGC McKinley Hills for your application.
Yes, at syempre, ini-invite din po namin kayo to try the delicious food of
Chicks and Chill.
Tama ba?
Tama ba? Chicks and Chill. Hindi ko narinig.
Siblings Corner.
Ayun, si Siblings Corner.
Sa Kalumpan, like yung order siya nung yung maraming yung mga haluhan ng mga fruits, mga fresh fruits with milk.
Naalala ko na siya.
With cream.
Doon nag-order ang ate ko.
Yeah, for only 110 or 20 ata.
Ay, sir.
At syempre kay Sir, ang may-ari ng napakalaking quintas.
Sir, magkano yan? Natakot ako lumapit kay sir kasi parang ang hirap.
Heto na po, our second prince. Malapit na po, nating malaman. Excited na ang mga parents.
Yes.
Nasaan ang supporters? Little Miss Candidate number 27. Nasaan mga supporters? Little Miss number 15. Ayun. Mga supporters ni Little Mr. Contestant number 1. Ayan. Hold naman siya sa harapan. At yun yung number 1. Balik ulit sa pesto number 1. Balik sa pesto ulit. Akala na reach.
Parang pakirecord kaya muna tayo sa bata.
Once again, thank you so much to Ate Maki Del Prado, my hair and makeup artist. Ate Maki, maraming salamat. And sa lahat po naman gustong umorder ng napakasarap na crispy okoy at suka ni Ate Maki, pwede niyo po siyang i-PM sa kanyang Facebook account, Maki Del Prado. Napakasarap po. For only 10 pesos, maka-high blood na kayo. Puro hipon. At sarap, as in.
At saka yung sausawa, napakasarap.
Yes, so abangan po natin si Ate Maki sa Kapuso Ko, Jessica. So, i-features ang kanyang crispy okoy.
Kung paano ginagawa.
This coming March 2027 pa naman yun. Thank you, Ate Ma. And of course, to Sir Danny Abaw for my suit. Thank you so much, Sir Danny Abaw. So eto na, chinek na ng ating mga hurado ang resulta ng ating Little Mr. and Miss Binangonan 2024.
Dahil ang ating scoring is really close to one another. So we have to make sure that our result is legitimate and final. And finally, I also want to say thank you to my wardrobes tonight and to my PA, Raven, and to the wardrobes for tonight's events. At sa lahat po ng naririto ngayong gabi, kumain na po ba kayo?
Actually, syempre mag-celebrate niya mga yan. Mag-inom tayo sa McDo.
Oo, kasi yun ang book.
For sure, bukas naman.
24 hours.
Jollibee. Maaga pa naman, it's only 11 p.m. So maaga pa.
Maaga pa, hindi pa nagko-November 7.
May kanaw pa.
Oo. May kanaw pa, G.
Eto na, pipirmahan na ng mga hurado ang resulta. This is Little Mr. and Miss Binangonan 2024.
And to our online viewers, thank you for staying with us.
Thank you so much to One Click. Ayan, you can follow po ang kanyang account po sa Facebook, One Click.
Yes. And to our official photographer tonight, Mr. JP, thank you so much for the wonderful picture. Pakita niyo po yan